Trying to get this back window off, but this rubber is so hard that I'm prying it and I'm afraid I'm going to break the glass. So I'm going to try to start cutting it into pieces to make it easier to remove, mostly on the inside. Alright guys, here's the deal. I was vacuuming some stuff so it wouldn't be as dusty, and I noticed like a trail of rat poop coming up inside the headliner, and I see a hole right here. So I have to, even though this headliner is in such good shape, I think I have to take the headliner down. It's such a shame because this headliner is perfectly set. It's never going to be this perfect. But I think I have to take it down. So far it's working good. I got most of the rubber cut out, and that is working perfectly. Seems like it's a little more stuff down here. Close. There's the defroster wire. It comes inside the car and connects here. This is probably the power side. And then on the other side, negative side. And that's probably why it's so tight in these corners. There we go. As you can see, there's no rust underneath this gasket. In fact, it looks like brand new. So it looks really good. Let's go up the side. Yeah, zero rust. This stuff is just peeling up. And I noticed this this little putty was covering that hole. I think that hole was for the water that came down to drain out. But it looks like they covered that hole and they built up a layer here, so any water would kind of just come out this way because it's like pristine just past this barrier. Here's a closer look at the defrost wire. This should be probably glued against the glass there. It's soldered to this piece of metal, but up here it has come loose, so I have to resolder this. I'm gonna clean this metal really good. It's got lots of probably vaporized rat poop. Right there, you can see I've cleaned them before, but some of them are really bad. Let's look at the other side. Kind of the same thing happened. It's come loose from that, so I will resolder that and clean all these lines and then test them. This solder joint is good, but this should be sealed to the glass here. It shouldn't be loose. But the glass came out, no damage. It's just really dirty. Look how clean it's coming out. These are the dirty ones. Here's after I've cleaned them a little bit. Like shiny metal. I'm just lightly rubbing them with SOS.